CSAV helped enhance our business because when we first moved to this facility, we had so much sound spilling over from studio to studio due to the metal ceilings that we have. The sound was just bouncing around like crazy. And we had to even adjust our schedule slightly so that certain classes would not be in a studio opposite another studio. When we made the decision to invest in the sound panels from CSAV, it enabled us to use our space more fully. So as a business investment, it was a huge, huge help.
So with acoustical treatments, we can often master an environment and make the sound more pleasant for everyone's experience. The concept is to deaden sound in any environment. So the more absorptive the environment can be, meaning it soaks up the audio that comes into it, the clearer the sound can be, because then we can take electronics and equipment and overcome the size or scope of the space and make it sound better.
The installation itself, I believe, was done in one or 2 days. It was pretty much the most efficient operation I could have hoped for.
Now, the acoustical panels we utilize are custom made, so they're made in size to shape to fit exactly the environment we want to fit, and they also have custom fabric finishes, so they can also match in color or decor. So we are allowed to be able to take these acoustical panels and match them right into the environment. So not only do they help the sound, but they look good as well. They're also durable and solid, so they can be washed or cleaned. And they're also able to be tacked on or puttied on or taped on without damaging the panel itself.
I'm extremely pleased with the services CSAV Systems provided. It was really everything I hoped for.
The client has come to me and been overwhelmed with the success of the result and extremely happy with the performance of the environments after the acoustical panels are installed. So we're not only looking for the right mix of panels, we're not only looking for the right look of panels, but we're also looking to meet the right budget for the panels as well to satisfy the client in their entirety. And that's our goal when we develop acoustical treatments for any environment, no matter what it is. If there wasn't acoustical panels in this room right now, it would sound cavernous. Very, very echoey, kind of like when you go to a baseball game and you hear, hello, 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 this is the game, game, game. Same type of concept. But here we have a rich, warm sound because of the unique custom-installed acoustical panels that CSAV System installed in this unique environment. So wherever you have a need, consider CSAV Systems, not only for our electronics and sound and video, but also acoustical treatments when are necessary.